Hi guys, welcome back. Let's create a mockup in Photoshop where there will be a shape, text, or a sticker or anything that will be placed on the surface of the front side of the mug. So let's create one. Click on the rectangle tool. Make sure that it covers the front side of the mug just like this, and then right click on the rectangle layer and then click on convert to smart object. Afterwards, we're going to be wrapping the rectangle around the surface of the mug so that we can put a shape, a sticker, a text, anything on this rectangle. So all we have to do is to click on edit, transform, warp. Alright, put this corner on the corner of the mug just like this. Make sure that it's all covered and it's all rectangular. Alright, adjust the points just like this. Drag the arrowheads to adjust the curviness of the sides, and then you can drag the guidelines inside of the square to position the lines according to the perspective of the mug. Once we're done, double click on this icon on the rectangle 1 layer, double click, there you go. Drag a shape, a text, or a sticker. For example, I want this logo of tongue tips to be on the surface of the mug. So I hold the Control and the A keys to select everything in the layer, and then Control C to copy, and then Control V to paste, just like this. Adjust the size, and then centralize the logo so that it's visible on the mug. Make the black rectangle disappear by clicking on the eye icon, and then hit Control and the S keys to save. Go back to the image layer, and then you're done. Ooh, fancy. Now the sticker that has the logo of tongue tips is now on this mug. You can adjust the blending mode so that it looks more realistic, just like this pretty much. You can even go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur to add some blur because this part is kind of blurry. Alright, this will do. That's how you can create a mug mockup in Photoshop. So thanks for watching, guys. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give us a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.